What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to connect your scooter and bind your scooter with your Segway app. So how to use the app to set up your scooter and pair it with Segway app. So what you need to do is to open Segway app, click add a device, Bluetooth search and connect. Then you will see other device, Ninebot MAX G2, click on it. Now wait, it's connecting. After this you need to click 2 times, you see the Bluetooth indicator appears here. Device paired successfully, click OK. Then your email will be here, click bind. Now it's binding with your email. OK, bind successfully. Then it's restarted, so you have some safety instruction, you can just skip them. And here you go, so here is your scooter connected to the app, you can manage it, you can check the firmware and update it also. At the same time you have many settings like check the metrics, charging limit, direction sound can be turned on, turn off, walk mode, energy recovery can be set it up, custom settings of sport mode, so normal acceleration, locking function, abnormal alert, and SQL app. So you have tracking control system activated, so it's supporting slippery road. Also you can see the vehicle location here, change it, and device information like total mileage can be checked, temperature, serial number, and other characteristics. So actually that's how you can easily bind your Ninebot MAX G2 with a Segway app right now in 2026.